Yummy, yummy, oh so sweet. Yummy, yummy, can't be beat. Yummy, yummy, every bite. Yummy, yummy, feels so right. Candy kisses, dreams come true. Yummy, yummy, all for you. Yummy, yummy, night and day. Yummy, yummy, take me away.
Sometimes enrichment is nothing more than 2 boxes of animal crackers. Yeah, I do. 2 boxes of animal crackers that I just throw out, and it's like a scavenger hunt. Freya is excellent at it. Izzy gives up. Cody, he's okay if I put him by himself. Izzy gives up immediately. She's just like, oh, that's too much trouble. She'd rather be hand-fed. But she will take over a spot if it's a spot rich in animal crackers. She'll take over a spot. But she'd rather you just hand it to her.